Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility. Sign into your AdSense account and make sure it's active. Once signed in, check the payment settings area for the PIN status. You need a clear government ID plus a recent utility bill showing your new address. Scan them as PDFs or high-quality images. Make sure the name on documents matches the account holder. Once done, gather those files and keep them ready because you'll upload them in the next steps to verify the address change. Now you'll perform the detailed submission. Navigate to Payments, then Manage Settings and locate Address. Click Edit. Enter the new address exactly as shown on your proof to avoid mismatches because AdSense compares text fields. Next, upload your ID and proof of address. Accepted formats are usually JPG or PDF. Keep file sizes small but legible. After uploading, add any extra notes explaining the change. Then submit and wait for the confirmation screen. Google will email you about verification steps. Complete the process by monitoring the verification status in your AdSense payments section and your email. Verification can take several days. Once verified, the new address will replace the old one for PIN mailings and tax forms, so make sure it looks right. If the change is rejected, compare the rejected reason to your uploaded files. Most rejections are due to blurriness, mismatched names, or incorrect formatting, so rescan and resubmit. If problems persist, contact AdSense support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.